My name is Zia Carmali, and I am the Manager of Media Relations and Storytelling here at Explore Edmonton. We're a tourist non-for-profit organization, and basically at the forefront of what we do is putting Edmonton on the map. So showcasing all the cool people and places and experiences and festivals and happenings in our city, and really bringing the local community together to help us shine on a national and a global stage. Essentially, we're not selling a product. We're bringing community together. So our focus is very broad, and building those partnerships and strengthening those things is, at the top of our priority list.
My name is Amanda, and I'm the email and web marketing specialist for Explore Edmonton. We've got a whole lot of brands that we work with within Explore Edmonton. And so because of that, we need to have different lists and audiences and goals and strategies for each one. So Intuit Mailchimp helps with making sure that all of our brands are separated and we can create strategic decisions for each one based off of the audience needs for that portfolio. And so some of that might be ticket sales for our events, but then we might need to do more awareness-based and tourism content for our other portfolios.
So this was a sweater that was made by a local Indigenous artist, and it says Edmonton in the Cree syllabics. So that's something that we're really proud of here as well too, and being inclusive and respectful, really sharing the stories of all of the residents that live here, and giving visitors a chance to do so as well.
Segmenting really helps because it allows us to know what our people are interested in and what their needs are. So we've set up some automation. They get put into groups. It could be the food and culture, it could be the activities that they're interested in, and then we can target those groups based off of what they're interested in. So Canada has the Canadian anti-spam legislation that we need to make sure we're always adhering to. Mailchimp's custom automations allow us to ensure that we're always CASL compliant. We're always checking to make sure that everyone that we are communicating with, particularly for our events, are compliant. We're able and allowed to communicate with them. So we have a lot of different audiences at Explore Edmonton because we run events and we have venues that we manage. One of the ways that we would like to explore using SMS is for updating programming on site during the events. So you could use email to lead up to some kind of thing you want to communicate via text, and then you can then send them the message at the end.
I want people to know that there's a place for everyone here, and Explore Edmonton really brings that community together and showcases the phenomenal things that live here and happen here, and really strengthens the community and the people that bring the city to life.